aim sa event na ito ay makita natin our country united, bountiful, and progressive with peace, emancipated from the bondage of ignorance and poverty. I now declare the plenary this afternoon open.
Base po ito.
This gathering was declared a Constituent General Assembly with all the powers. With all the powers. But because of the insights that we have gathered here, we derive supreme authority from God Almighty. Even the provision of the Constitution is a derivative. Sovereignty resides in the people, and all government authority emanates from them. That is the difference. While sovereignty resides in the people and all government authority emanates from them, we recognize the Supreme God Almighty as the very source of that authority.
Yes.
As we are assembled here this afternoon, we constitute a Constituent General Assembly with all the powers in our hands. We are exercising direct democracy. That is why in the options that were lectured to you this morning, option 1 up to 5, nakikita rito, you will verbalize according to your sectoral interests, the resolutions that you want to pass in this August body, and all the resolutions that will be passed in this plenary session will be respected and will be implemented as solutions to our problem. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Bishop Milo Tayag. Bilisan po natin para maintindihan ng lahat. Ito'y recap lang po ng ating present na solution kaninang umaga. Pakinggan po natin mabuti at kagaya ng sinabi ni Bishop Milo Tayag, mamimili po tayong lahat. No matter what, kung anong number ang piliin nyo, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, yung majority's decision will always prevail. Ito yung number 1 option. Bilisan natin ha. Uniting the people by our Balitribo program under IRA 8371 to invoke self-government and self-governance, exercising our self-determination as guaranteed by this Act and UDNRP. Present po ito ni Raja Sulaiman kanina. Present rin ni Brother Perdi kanina yung Republic Act 8371. Ito po yung option 1. Supporting our MNLF once and for all to fully implement the Tripoli Agreement. Present po ni Brother Perdi kanina. Okay. To help our CPLA to bring back their full autonomy to protect all ancestral lands domain in the whole Cordillera. Bakit po natin gagawin yung 1, 2, 3? Para ma-stop na yung continuous land grabbing and bring back all the ancestral land to all our IPs and ICCs. Yan po yung option 1. Tandaan po natin sa bawat option may timeline. Para alam niyo po, yung nababagala, yung gustong mabilis, yung gustong gawin ito, ire-respeto po natin kayo. Okay? Timeline, unknown. Bakit siya unknown? Since there is a plan to abolish the National Commission for Indigenous People, NCIP, and current issues in BARM. Alam niyo ni General Mo, may current issues sa BARM. So, maaaring matagalan siya. Okay, tanong ko po, nauunawaan niyo po ba yung option 1?
Yes!
Ulitin ko, nauunawaan niyo pa yung option 1?
Yes!
Okay, let's go to option 2. Option 2. Gathered or documented evidences of all cases involving the executive and legislative branch for all the culpable violation of the Constitution, na-discuss kanina ni Brother Perdi, may mga violation. Then file multiple cases in Supreme Court. Actually, itong option 2, ginawa na ng People's Initiative. Naka-file na ito. Matagal nang ginawa itong option 2 ng People's Initiative. Naka-file na sa Supreme Court at natutulog doon. Hindi nila papatulan yan. Kaya yung timeline natin, known as legal battle is in Supreme Court, will be delayed by evil oligarchs and evil politicians. Tanong ulit, naiintindihan niyo ba yung option 2? Yes! Ulitin ko, naiintindihan niyo ba yung option 2? Yes! Okay, let's go to option 3. Bilisan natin. Gathered 7 million signature. Present ni Brother Perdi, 10% of the registered voters as required under RA 6735. Call for a referendum of amending RA 6735. Once a referendum is granted, the people can directly propose, enact, approve, or reject in whole or in part the Constitution, laws, ordinances, or resolution passed by any legislative body upon compliance with the requirement of this Act, which is affirmed, recognized, and guaranteed. If the government denied a referendum to amend RA 6735, the people will not vote in May 2025. Yun ang pwede natin. Ayaw nilang ipa-amend eh. Ang tagal nila. So, kaya ba natin na i-declare? Huwag tayong bumoto sa May 2025.
Yes!
Para mapilitan silang i-amend yan. O tatanungin niyo uli ako ng timeline. Unknown. Hindi natin alam. Kasi sa natin siya ipapay sa Supreme Court at saka sa COMELEC. Legal battle, nandun pa rin. So, sinong kalaban natin? Evil oligarchs and politicians. Kasi, pag inamend yan, sila yung direktang maaapektuhan. Right or wrong? Yes. Tanong, naintindihan niyo ba yung option 3? Yes. Tanong ulit, naintindihan niyo yung option 3? Yes. Oh, let's go to option 4. Option 4. If the government will not see great number of people on the street, they will not be alarmed. Maganda ang petition, maganda ang sulat, maganda lahat yan at makakatulong yan. Ang tanong, kung papatulan nila para pag-usapan o hindi, yun ang di natin masasagot. Under People's Initiative, gathered 1 million warm bodies on Freedom Park supported by the military. Strictly no politics. Walang sigaw na pababain si BBM, take over gobyerno, walang ganon. Walang sigaw na sinusuportahan ng iba si President Duterte, mga Duterte. Walang ganon. Tahimik tayo. Tahimik po tayo. Wala pong politika rito. Hindi natin sasamahan ng politika. Ayaw natin ng politika. Doon na tayo nalugmok eh. Okay? Number 3, showing placards of all major problems in our country. Calling the immediate attention of the President to the people. Nakita niya yung mga problema. Ang nakalagay sa placard natin, mahal na Pangulo, kausapin muna ang taong bayan. This is the time, kausapin muna yung taong bayan. Pag hindi siya dumating, if the President will not heed to the call of the people will invoke the provision in our Constitution, putting the whole military under civilian control due to country's problem of uncontrollable corruptions, violating the people's inherent and constitutional rights. Pwede bang gawin to? Pwede! Taong bayan ang nagbibigay ng authority sa gobyerno. Kung taong bayan ang nagbibigay ng authority, pwede nating itas. Pwede natin panumpain. At alam ko, ang military magkakaroon ng wisdom yan. Kasi amenable naman sila, maraming problema sa bansa. Ito magliligtas sa military. Hindi ito military takeover, hindi ito military adventurism, hindi ito kudeta. Pwede sabihin ng military, wala kaming magawa. Taong bayan na nagtas sa amin eh. Ngayon, tinanggalan ba natin ng power ang presidente? Hindi. Tinanggalan ba ng power natin ang judicial? Hindi. Legislative? Hindi. Function kayo. Pero wala na kayong control sa military. Bakit? Eh, ginagawa nilang panakot sa taong bayan para gawin ang tama, pulis at military. Right or wrong? Okay. The executive branch can still function, civilian, only take control over the military. Option 4 to. Tanungin ko yun, naiintindihan niyo ba yung option 4? Yes. Let's go to option 5. Option 5. Pula yan, ha? Nakapula yan. The AAP Chief of Staff will withdraw their support to the President of the Republic due to vast corruptions in the government and in putting our country at risk due to EDCA presence and agitating China by siding with US narratives. Na-discuss natin yan. Pwede ba yan?
Pwede.
Example given, panahon ni Joseph Estrada, nag-withdraw lang si General Angelo Reyes, tapos ang boxing, umupo si PGMA. Pwede. Pero nung time na yon, walang presence na malaki ang US. Pag humingi ng tulong si President BBM sa US, makialam yan, pwede silang mag-create ng civil war.
Nako.
Yan ang risk niyan.
Yun ang
At ayaw nating ilagay ang ating military sa alanganin. Kahit na pwede, kahit na okay yan, ayaw natin na ilagay sila sa alanganin. Naintindihan nyo yung option 5?
Yes!
Huling tanong ko sa inyo, sa present natin na option 1 hanggang option 5, may iba pa ba kayong option na napipili?
Wala eh. Wala. Ano pa?
Go ahead.
Ano?
Mr. Chairman, since naiintindihan nila lahat yung option 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, Mr. Chairman, I move for a resolution number 1, the People's Initiative to adopt option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I move for the approval and adoption of this resolution.
We second the motion! We second the motion!
May comment lang.
You have an objection?
No, it's not an objection, but a comment on option 4.
Okay.
Meron kasi, pakibalik lang yung option 4. Meron kasi yung number...
Number siya.
Number 4. Number 4. Ay, hindi, yung isa pa, yung number 3. Ito, yung itong item number 4. May suggestion ako, instead of the people will not vote, whoever denies the referendum sa mga, diba, sa Congress, mga congressmen, no? Or senator, whoever vote to deny this referendum that we are proposing, the people will not vote for these legislators
In May.
So, kumbaga, hindi ipoboto itong mga to. Kung sino yung nag-oppose. Kesa yung, kasi mawawalan tayo ng power, no? Pag hindi tayo bumoto, sinayang natin yung ano. Pero ang sasabihin natin, yung lahat ng mga ayaw sumuporta sa will ng tao, hindi namin iboboto. Yun ang mas maganda, mas makamanda.
You are moving for an amendment.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Number 4. Number 4, amendment. We will still vote, however, we will not vote for legislators who will oppose the will.
What is your position about the amendment, the proposed amendment?
Para nandun pa rin yung ating power. Okay lang.
Yun lang po.
Amendment lang naman.
Kami lang po.
Okay.
Ay,
So, strike out natin yung
hindi, yung po, amend lang natin. We will still vote.
Can you repeat the amendment?
The amendment is on item number 4. Instead of the people will not vote in May 2025,
They will still vote.
the people will still vote, but will not vote
Except
for the legislators who will oppose the will of the people, which is yung proposal natin. No?
Is there any objection to the amendment?
No objection. Seconded.
Hear an objection.
Seconded.
Okay. The
Since-
amendment is hereby
I move again
passed.
for the second time around
Okay.
to adopt option 1 to 5 as
In toto.
amended.
In toto.
Amended, i-amend natin yun.
In toto.
In toto. As amended.
Do I hear a seconding?
Suggestion.
Second.
Suggestion lang, suggestion.
Yes, but I want to.
Walang explain.
Suggestion lang, suggestion.
The reason I am seconding 1 to 5 because we are not in control of everything that will happen in the future. So that means that whichever happened in the future, whatever happened there, we have available options. In fact, I also make an amendment that in case there are situations that will happen that will not control in the future, we can still make additional provisions that will be available to us, subject to the approval of the
General Assembly.
The General Assembly. Kasi hindi po natin alam, hindi natin kontrol lahat. There may be there are assumptions that may, situations that may happen. Hindi po natin kontrolado yun. So, malilimit na tayo dyan. O kaya sinasabi namin, hadapin natin lahat yan kung ano po yung applicable na doon sa mangyayari, i-apply. Kung meron pang mangyayari na wala yan, subject to the approval of the Assembly. Yun po.
It has been moved and seconded that shall not options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total with the amendment that was passed also.
Suggestion lang.
Is that an objection?
Suggestion lang, suggestion. May
We will entertain that. We will not be strict with our parliament.
Suggestion lang, baka pwede nating ilagdag sa gagawin po nating resolution na yan, o magiging laban. Suggestion lang na baka pwede nating ilagay o dagdag na demolish party list.
Yun, pwede.
Okay, ganito. I will make a clarification. Options 1 and 2, 1 to 5 have been passed and have been approved. It has been moved and seconded that options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have been approved by this assembly as amended. Do I hear any objection?
No! Objection!
I will not raise any objection of the presented proposal, but may I request the amended part in number 4 that it should have to be presented first before any closing of the proposal, the amended part. I think you approve the amendment to the number 4.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Can somebody please put there in the screen? Okay.
You have to correct the number 4.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
In number 4, amended page. If the government denied a referendum to amend RA 6735, the people will not vote for the legislator who will not support the will of the people.
2025.
2025 election.
Clarification. Okay, I want to make a clarification. The chair wants to make a clarification that it does not, the approval of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options does not mean that we will not be considering new resolutions from the floor. And I am calling on Dr. Barroso because he has some resolutions to suggest or to, he has a motion. Dr. Barroso.
Rescue warrior citizens.
Dr. Barroso has some resolutions with regards to the economy of the Republic. Dr. Barroso, we now welcome you to present your resolutions, your economic resolutions and economic proposals. Open for
We shall include our economic resolution. Okay. Amendment of number 4. If the government denied a referendum to amend RA 6735, the people will not vote for the legislators who will not support the will of the people. Yes.
Yes.
Amendment to the amendment?
Yes. This is the amendment. Yes. Amendment.
The same.
Oh, same. Okay.
Same.
All right.
I will repeat. Is there any objection to the amendment?
No objection.
There is none. It is approved. Okay. Okay, the economic resolution.
Okay. As far as our economic provisions are concerned, I move that the wealth of the nation should belong to the people, and the key and heavy industries will be nationalized so that the economy of the country will improve and we can immediately industrialize to produce jobs and wealth of the country.
I have already declared this as a People's Congress with all the powers and authority that is right in our Constitution. Okay, you proceed.
Yes, what I mean is, I move that we nationalize the key and heavy industries that was privatized, that belong to the people during the time of President Marcos Sr., so that we can have industrialization in this country to create wealth and jobs for the Filipino people.
Do I hear a second thing?
Okay, I will just give my manifestation. All of our concern regarding the development side, socio-economic side, ang pinupunto po nung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is baguhin muna yung gobyerno. Hawakan muna ng taong bayan. Pag nahawakan na natin, doon tayo magdadrop ng mga sinasabi ni Professor. Huwag natin isama.